Welcome back, design enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge architecture with a focus on the prismatic concrete home. A unique blend of geometric design, raw materials, and dynamic light play, this concept redefines modern living. Let's explore what makes it so extraordinary. The prismatic design concept draws inspiration from the multifaceted structure of prisms. It emphasizes sharp angles, intersecting planes, and how light interacts with these shapes to create a living work of art. Concrete serves as the backbone of this architectural marvel. Its raw, industrial appeal provides durability and a minimalist aesthetic, perfectly complementing the bold, prismatic shapes. One of the standout features of a prismatic concrete home is how light and shadow transform the space. As the sun moves throughout the day, light filters through angular windows and skylights, creating dynamic patterns across the interiors. Prismatic concrete homes often embrace nature by seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor spaces. Large sliding glass doors, open courtyards, and rooftop gardens add a refreshing balance to the solid structure. This design isn't just about aesthetics, it's also eco-conscious. The use of sustainable materials, natural ventilation, and strategically placed windows helps reduce energy consumption and makes it environmentally friendly. Inside, the interior design mirrors the home's bold architecture. Clean lines, neutral tones, and minimalistic furniture maintain the focus on the structure, while pops of color or art pieces can add personality. Prismatic concrete homes are highly customizable. From unique layouts to bespoke finishes, each design can be tailored to reflect the owner's vision, ensuring every detail is as unique as the architecture itself. Ultimately, a prismatic concrete home is more than just a house, it's a statement. Living here means embracing innovation, artistic expression, and modern functionality all under one roof. And that's the beauty of a prismatic concrete home. What feature caught your eye the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more inspiring design content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.